before we start, I have one question for you. Have you ever practiced English every single day, and then one morning you just stopped? You woke up, looked at your phone, and thought, not today. And then not today became not this week. And then not this month. And then you forgot why you even started. Yeah, I see you. I was you. But today, everything changes. Stay with us because by the end of this episode, you will have the exact words, the exact phrases, and the exact energy to never quit again.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Hello, hello, hello. And wow, Max, always amazing? You're being very kind today.
I mean it, but also I need you to be in a good mood because today's topic is a big one.
It is so big. Today we are talking about daily English conversation practice, real practice, the kind that actually works.
And we're also talking about something that every single English learner goes through, divvying up.
Ugh, that word, give up. We don't like that word here.
We do not, but we're going to talk about it because the only way to stop doing something is to understand why you do it in the first place.
Exactly. So here is what you will get from today's episode. Number 1, real everyday English phrases you can use right now. Number 2, conversation practice that feels natural, not like homework. And number 3, a simple mindset shift that will help you keep going even on the hard days.
And trust me, there will be hard days, but you will be ready for them.
So get comfortable. Maybe grab some tea or coffee or whatever makes you happy.
Or snacks. Snacks are always welcome.
Always. Okay, let's go.
So, Lily, let's be real. Why do people stop learning English? What is the number one reason?
Oh, that's easy. They think they are not good enough. They compare themselves to other people. They hear someone speak English perfectly and they think, I will never sound like that, so why try?
Yes, that comparison thing is so dangerous. And here's the truth. That person you're comparing yourself to, they also made mistakes. They also had bad days. You just didn't see it.
Right. You only see the result. You don't see the journey.
Okay, so let's talk about some real feelings that English learners have. And we have phrases for each one. Ready?
Ready.
First feeling, I feel stuck. Say that with me, everyone. I feel stuck.
I feel stuck. That means I'm not moving. I'm not getting better. I've been at the same level for too long.
And what do you say when you feel stuck?
You say, I need to try something different. Simple. I need to try something different.
Beautiful. Write that down or say it out loud. Actually, say it out loud right now. Don't be shy. Nobody's watching. Well, maybe someone is watching, but that's okay.
Say it loud. I need to try something different.
Second feeling, I don't have time. Oh, this one is very popular.
Very, very popular. And listen, I understand. Life is busy, work is busy, family is busy. But here is something I want you to remember. You don't need 2 hours a day. You need 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes of real, focused practice is better than 2 hours of half listening while also watching TV.
So the phrase here is, I can do 10 minutes. Say it. I can do 10 minutes.
Just 10 minutes. That's it. Start there.
Third feeling, I'm embarrassed to speak. This one is very real.
Oh, this one is my personal enemy. When I was learning, okay, yes, I also had to learn things. I was so scared to speak. I thought everyone would laugh at me.
And did they?
Sometimes, but you know what? It didn't kill me. And every time I spoke, even when I made mistakes, I got a tiny bit better.
So the phrase for this feeling is, it's okay to make mistakes. Everyone say it. It's okay to make mistakes.
Because it is okay. Mistakes are not the enemy. Silence is the enemy.
Silence is the enemy. I love that. Can we put that on a t-shirt?
Please, someone make that t-shirt.
Okay, now let's get into the actual phrases. Real daily English conversation that you can use today. Not in a test, not in a textbook, in real life.
We're going to go through 5 everyday situations, and for each one, we'll give you the phrase, explain it, and then you try it.
Situation 1. You are late. You walk into a meeting, a class, or a cafe where your friend is waiting. What do you say?
The classic answer, sorry I'm late, but let's make it more natural. You can say, so sorry to keep you waiting. Or even simpler, my bad, traffic was crazy.
My bad means my fault. I'm sorry, it was my mistake. Very casual, very natural.
Try it now. Imagine you are late. Say, so sorry to keep you waiting. My bad, traffic was crazy.
Great job. Now situation 2. You don't understand something. This is so important. Many learners pretend to understand because they don't want to look stupid, but pretending is dangerous.
Very dangerous. If you don't understand and you pretend, you might do the wrong thing. You might go to the wrong place. You might agree to something you didn't want to agree to.
So instead of nodding and hoping for the best, say this. Sorry, could you say that again? Or, I'm not sure I understood. Can you explain?
Or the very simple version. Wait, what? That's very natural English, by the way. Wait, what? People say it all the time.
They really do. So don't be afraid to say, sorry, I didn't catch that. Catch here means understand or hear clearly.
I didn't catch that. Practice it. Say it out loud. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again?
Situation 3. You want to agree with someone. This is a great one because there are so many ways to agree in English and most learners only know one.
They only say yes, just yes, and that's fine, but there are better ways.
You can say, exactly. That's so true. I totally agree. You took the words right out of my mouth.
Ooh, that last one. You took the words right out of my mouth. That means I was just thinking the same thing. You said what I wanted to say before I could say it.
It's a beautiful phrase. A little advanced, but very impressive when you use it.
Try the simple ones first. Exactly. That's so true. Now you try. Say, exactly. That's so true.
Situation 4. You want to change the subject. Maybe the conversation is getting too serious. Maybe you're bored. Maybe you just thought of something better to talk about.
You can say, by the way, anyway, oh, speaking of that, that reminds me, these are called conversation connectors. They help you move from one topic to another very smoothly.
For example, by the way, did you see that movie last night? Or, that reminds me, I forgot to call my mom.
We've all been there. By the way and anyway are the most useful. Practice them every day.
Situation 5. You want to end a conversation politely. This is a skill, ending a conversation without being rude.
Because sometimes you really need to go, but you don't want the other person to feel bad.
So you say, it was great talking to you. I have to run, but let's catch up soon. I'll let you go. Talk later.
I have to run doesn't mean you're actually running. It means I'm busy. I need to leave.
And let's catch up soon means let's talk again. Let's meet again. It's very warm and friendly.
Say it now. It was great talking to you. I have to run. Let's catch up soon.
Perfect. You're already sounding more natural. I can feel it.
Okay, wait. We need to stop here for a second because I know something about you.
Though.
Right. Right now, some of you are listening to this and you're thinking, this is good information, but I won't actually practice. I'll just listen and feel like I'm learning.
Oh no, the passive learning trap.
Yes, listening is good, but speaking is better. So here is your midpoint challenge. For the next 30 seconds, talk to yourself in English every day. Pick any phrase from the last 10 minutes and use it in a sentence, out loud, right now.
We'll wait. Seriously, pause the video if you need to. Say something out loud. Don't just sit there looking cute.
Say something, anything. Use my bad, or I didn't catch that, or by the way, just speak.
And if you're on the bus right now and people are staring at you, perfect. That's real English practice. Extra points for confidence.
Okay, most learners skip this part, but the ones who don't, they improve 3 times faster. Be that person.
All right, it's role play time. This is my favorite part.
Mine too. Okay, here's the situation. You are at a coffee shop. You want to order something, but it's busy, loud, and the person behind the counter is talking very fast. You didn't understand the question they asked you.
So the barista says, "Would you like that for here or to go, and do you want any extra shots or alternative milk options today?"
All of that at once, very fast.
So what do you say? Think about it. What phrase did we just learn?
Take 3 seconds. Think. What do you say?
If you said, "Sorry, could you say that again?" you are correct. Or, "I didn't catch that, sorry."
And then, once they slow down and you understand, you say your order. 1 medium coffee, please, for here. No extra shots, thank you.
Short, clear, polite. That's all you need.
Now let's do one more. You're meeting a new coworker. Their name is, let's say Sarah. And Sarah is telling you about her weekend. She says, "It was amazing. We went hiking and the view was absolutely breathtaking and I've never felt so alive. And honestly, it just changed my whole perspective on life."
Sarah is very passionate about hiking.
She is. And you agree with everything she said. What do you say?
You can say, "That sounds amazing," or "Exactly, nature does that to you," or even, "You took the words right out of my mouth. I need to go hiking."
Beautiful. You are connecting, you are agreeing, you are being natural. Sarah's gonna love you.
Sarah is going to invite you to go hiking with her next weekend.
And then you'll have even more English practice opportunities.
Okay, I want to take a moment and get a little serious, just for a minute.
Just a minute, maybe 2.
Learning English is hard. Let's just say that clearly. It is hard. It takes time. It takes energy. And sometimes you feel like you're going nowhere.
And on those days, you want to stop. Everything in your brain says, this is too much, I'll try again tomorrow. And tomorrow never comes.
So here is what I want you to do instead. On a hard day, don't stop completely. Just stop when you're done.
Oh, say that again.
Stop when you're done. Not when you're tired, not when it's hard. When you're done, you decide. You finish your 10 minutes. You say one phrase. You listen to one episode. And then you're done for the day. That's enough.
That is so powerful because it puts the control back with you. You didn't give up, you finished. There's a huge difference.
Huge difference. I gave up feels like failure. I'm done for today feels like a win.
And winners show up tomorrow.
They do, every single day.
So the phrase I want you to remember, and this is maybe the most important phrase in the whole episode, is, "I'm not giving up, I'm just getting started."
Say it, please, right now. I'm not giving up. I'm just getting started.
One more time, louder. "I'm not giving up, I'm just getting started."
Because that's the truth. Every day you practice, even 10 minutes, is a new beginning, not a continuation of failure. A new beginning.
I need that on a poster.
Same.
Hey, stay with us. We have a bonus tip coming at the very end. And this one little tip changed how I practice English. It takes 0 extra time and it works while you're doing normal things. So do not leave yet.
It's a really good one. Don't skip it. Okay, let's bring it all together. Here are your key takeaways from today.
Takeaway number 1, feelings are normal. I feel stuck. I don't have time. I'm embarrassed. All of these feelings are normal. Every learner feels them. The difference is what you do next.
Takeaway number 2, you have the phrases now. So sorry to keep you waiting. I didn't catch that. Could you say it again? Exactly, that's so true. By the way, it was great talking to you.
Use them today, not next week, today.
Takeaway number 3, 10 minutes is enough. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need hours. You need consistency. 10 focused minutes every day will change your English in 60 days. I promise.
Takeaway number 4, stop when you're done. You are in control. Don't quit, finish. There's a difference, and that difference matters more than you know.
And takeaway number 5, I'm not giving up. I'm just getting started. That's your English learning superpower phrase.
Say it one more time with us. I'm not giving up. I'm just getting started.
Yes, that's our community right there.
Okay, bonus time. Are you ready?
This is the tip that changed everything for me personally.
Here it is. Talk to yourself in English. Every day, while you're making breakfast, say, okay, I'm going to make eggs. I need eggs, butter, a pan.
While you're getting dressed. I'll wear the blue shirt today. It looks nice. While you're walking. The weather is nice. I feel good. Today is going to be a good day.
Nobody hears you, nobody judges you, but your brain is practicing, your mouth is moving, the words are becoming natural.
It's called a self-talk habit, and it is completely free, takes no extra time, and it works like magic.
Start today, right now. After this episode ends, say something in English to yourself. Anything. That was a good episode. I learned something today. I'm going to practice tomorrow.
And if you feel a little silly, good. Silly means you're trying. Trying means you're growing. Growing means your English is getting better.
That's the whole game.
Okay, my friends, we are so proud of you for making it to the end of this episode.
Seriously, a lot of people clicked on this video and then went somewhere else after 30 seconds, but you stayed. That means something.
That means you are serious, and serious learners become fluent speakers. It's only a matter of time.
Now, here's what we want you to do. Go down to the comments right now and write one phrase from today. Just one. Any phrase you will use this week. Write it down.
It could be, my bad. It could be, I didn't catch that. It could be, I'm not giving up. Whatever spoke to you, write it. We read every single comment.
Every single one. And we love hearing from you.
And if this episode helped you even a little, please share it with one friend who is also learning English. You might be the reason they don't give up today.
No pressure, but also a little pressure. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. New episodes every week full of real English, real conversation, and real encouragement.
And speaking of next time, next episode, we're going to show you how to talk about your feelings in English without sounding like a textbook.
Because saying I am sad is fine, but saying I'm feeling a bit off today or I'm on top of the world, that's the good stuff.
Emotional English coming next week. You don't want to miss it.
Until then, keep practicing, keep seeking, keep going. You are doing better than you think.
We believe in you, always.
Take care, everyone, and remember, don't give up. You're just getting started.
I'm Max.
I'm Lily.
And this is Mr. Englishman.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.